It's another day. So today we have some notes to take. So if we go to Google Classroom and we find our chapter 27 questions, stalling for the internet, there we go. They should be that new assignment near the top. Press the up arrow, find your slideshow, press the square arrow. Please press the square arrow. And then we can split screen to the book. So slide 2 is notes. So we have 5 ways to pass pathogens from chapter 27, section 1. And then we have 4 types of immune cells. Now I did one of them to show you an example. We have the name of how to pass on a pathogen, in this case, through the air. And then we have examples. Coughing and sneezing are ways to get things through the air. The paragraph headings are the names, and then you have to read the paragraph a little bit to give me an example of how to pass on that pathogen. So that's on page 637. On page 642 and 43, we have a pictorial summary of the immune response for cells. There's a lot of important things happening in section 2 for the immune system before cells get involved, but once a pathogen is inside, we have cells. And so we have the macrophage. Its name means big eater, and its role you can find here in prompt 1. Then we have the helper T cells. And so here's the helper T cells. But what they do is here in 3. They wake up some other cells. We have the killer T cells. That's kind of step 4. And then we have the B cells, which is step 5. Step 6 also talks about what the B cells, the outcome of what the B cells do. And then honestly, macrophages end the whole thing too. So they're the beginning and the end. And the big eaters take care of the mess. So that's the notes. Tomorrow we have an article about a challenge trial study. And that challenge trial study article is this website link or this PDF. I prefer a PDF. Now, if you want it to read to you, the website link would be better. And so we have 4 questions about the article, questions 6 through 9. And then question 10 is a vocabulary question from the vocab list called Power Words at the end. So if you ever encounter tricky words when we read these science news articles, you can look at that vocab list. You can also get to the PDF here by opening the link for the PDF icon, and you can get to the website by opening the link for the title. That is tomorrow's, Friday's work. Today's work will be the notes. I will, in the Google Classroom stream, post a picture of what I think the notes are, or you could screenshot this. But most people don't watch these videos. So if you watch these videos, here's another advantage to you, a much easier way to figure out our basic notes. I will take some time in class to review section 1, to answer a question or 2. Wrong thing. If people have questions. And I don't quite have a GIM kit geared up for chapter 27, but I'm going to work on one today. So hopefully that'll help you out today. If you finish early, you can watch the related video on how viruses jump into humans, which is what happened with COVID and happens with many viruses. Or you can watch the video posted in slide 3. There isn't really a video for today, though. So good luck. Talk to me if you have questions. Email, join a Zoom. If the weather's nice, my classes might try to go outside. We'll see.